friends, welcome back to another episode of Empowerscience. So after a long time today we are here with two easy activities. So Shahan will show you how to do it. So let's get started.
Guys, for making a boat we need a thermocol, scissors, a balloon, a straw with a flexible end. Then we need a pen or marker for drawing the diagram. So first we will take a pen or marker. Then we want to draw like this. Just like this, very straightly, and cut out this diagram. So let's cut it out. So guys, we have cutted out our diagram. Now we want to make a hole enough to pass the straw. So I am making a hole right here at this point, or let's make a hole here. So guys, we have made a hole. Now let's take our straw and bend it a little. Now we want to, from the under, we are going to push it through. See, and see it tight, see it here. Now we want to tape it here. Before fixing it here, just we want to take a balloon and tie it here like this, so that we could use it as our engine, where the balloon we will blow the balloon and the air will push us through this straw and to this end, and when this boat is floating, the air will pass us through this end of the boat, pushing the boat forward. So first we want to stick it here, stick the straw firmly in the boat. So first we want to keep it in place. So I have taken it. Now I want to stick here with, I am using sellotape. You could use anything. So we are taping it. After taping it, then we want to sticking the straw. We want to stick a balloon. So I have already stick the balloon to the straw. I want to blow the balloon. So guys, I have blown the balloon. Now if I release the neck of the balloon, then the air will go through this hole and making the boat move forward. So let's do it in the water. Let's place the boat in the water and release the neck. I'm going to let it go. We have placed it in the water. So let's see. So I don't have more space to send it. That's why it's not moving. But if we put this thing in a pond or somewhere else, it will move very good. I'll show it to you once again. So see this. See, this is how this works. So guys, let's go to the next activity. The second activity, we need a paper, pair of scissors, then color pencils, a sellotape, straw. That's it guys. So let's start. We want to take a marker, draw a outline of a rocket. So I'm drawing a simple outline. just enough to make it look like a rocket. That's enough. That makes a small rocket. So let's first cut it out. So guys, we have made a small outline of a rocket. Now just we want to color it. I've colored it. Now just you want to flip it. Now we want to take our another paper and cut out a straight piece. Guys, so we have cut out a straight piece. Now what we want to do is take our straw, take it. Now just make a tube of a paper, just enough to make the straw pass through. And the tube should be tight. So we are making a tube. So guys, we have made a tube and stick the end with the sellotape. Now just you want to take a piece and fold it like this, and now just you want to stick it. After folding, and just stick it. So it should look like this. Now take our tube. So first we want to make sure that this tube fits the straw correctly, okay guys. Then we want to take our rocket, fix the tube right here. So we want to fixing the tube there. We have fixed the tube with the sellotape. Now what we want to do is take our straw, keep it in here, but not very tightly, just a little bit looser. And we want to fold our straw like this, keep it like this. Then we want to blow and see how it launches. So guys, take a deep breath and blow. So I have connected like this, see. Now let's blow. See, the rocket has gone. So bye bye guys.
Hope you all liked the video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified when we upload videos. See you in the next video. Bye.